Welcome to this short video on downloading and installing the Xelion 7 mobile app. First of all, if you can navigate to the Play Store, search for Xelion, and when you see Xelion 7, click on that and select Install. Once the app's been installed, if you click on the icon, you'll then be asked to accept 3 permissions. And then if you click OK, you'll now be presented with the login screen. Your username and password are the same username and password you use for your soft phone. Your mobile telephone number is for the mobile in use. And your host name and tenant will be provided by your Xelion 7 service provider. And once logged into the app, you'll be taken to your inbox where you can see all the recent communication. And then if you click on settings, here we can set the status of your phone. You can set do not disturb. You can add a personal message. You can set the redirect. You can set the missed call rule. You can set your caller ID. You can set your dialer strategy. And you can also change your mobile telephone number if required here as well. We'll cover the dialer strategy in further detail in another video. For now, that's all. Thanks for watching.